Melody, you're using a spoon. Here, dropped your spoon. Here. Oh, lovely. Mmm. You eating your cottage pie? Put some more on your spoon then. Put some on your spoon, Melody. I think that bit's all gone. Mmm. Good girl. That was a pea as well. They're notoriously tricky. Is that all gone? You gonna have some more? Mmm. Good girl. Say bye. Melody, bye.